Daily advice from the heart, meditation on happiness. There are several ways of being happy. Some people are slightly disturbed and in a perpetual state of dumb bliss. They always think everything is fine. That is not the kind of happiness we are dealing with here. Others base their happiness on the possession of material goods and the satisfaction of the senses. We have already noted how fragile such happiness is. Even when you think you are really happy, if you take that happiness for granted, you will doubly suffer when circumstances are no longer in your favor. Yet others believe that their happiness is due to moral attitudes and behavior. This is the kind of happiness we need, because it is based on profound causes and does not depend on circumstance. Happy meditating. Find your bliss within. Mwah.